started the pilot program with MixPilot, it was evident really quickly that they were passionate about it.
We've never gotten or seen a company get this much data from their trucks and really want to use it and promote something different than what we've had before.
Right now we have to believe we have the right slump. Now we can get a direct read on that even before we show up.
Looking at loads and bringing loads to job sites, and us delivering concrete within spec on a lot more frequent basis compared to what's going on now.
It was initially just trying to get it dialed in as far as measuring slump. But the evolution is gone beyond that because it's now more user-friendly. It's more focused on the people in the plants that are actually using it.
I think that's what surprised me the most after seeing 3 pieces of hardware is this is going to give us all this, and it does.
The advantage of MixPilot would be the lack of maintenance, the ease of install. It's made the implementation of it and getting the buy-in a lot easier than other systems where you had to do a lot of maintenance along the way.
I like to be in front of new innovation, and Giatec's one that is top of the line in the construction industry.